Hi everybody, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be painting this bird, but I'd already pre-sketched a few days ago in my square Arteza sketchbook. Let's go. So I'm using the small Faber-Castell Pitt Artist Pen in black, which you can find more about on my channel. There is a video dedicated to them. And though I took the shape of the bird, I was drawing from real life, so this is a real bird. I'm actually not going to be painting it a real colour, simply because, well, it's worked to my advantage. I don't have a reference photo to hand, and I'm not using my other phone. I record with one and I look for reference on another. I don't have that to hand, so I'm going to literally wing it and do my own thing. I tell you guys, I can't wait to do a sketchbook tour for this Arteza sketchbook. I've had so much fun. I think the most fun I've had with a sketchbook. It is the most creative book I have created. And it's very exciting. Each page I turn that is blank is just another opportunity for fun. And I think when I do a sketchbook tour, you'll see what I mean, and hopefully the fun will come across. So now, I think I'm going to be using probably the Arteza gouache. And this is paint that is already dried. I'm going to be doing a video of a problem with a paintbrush. Sounds boring, doesn't it? But actually it will help you guys to not do what I did. So I'm having to use a different paintbrush than what I wanted, because it's practically ruined. Well, it's salvageable, but you know, they were brand new brushes. That's what really annoys me. for 2020. Okay, so I'm just going to be using my leftover paint that has dried. So I'm getting a pipette and sucking up some water, clean water. I'm just going to put a few drops onto it. I know a lot of you will be thinking, that looks utterly disgusting and you're never going to be able to paint with it. Why don't you just get some fresh paint? Well, yeah, I could just get some fresh paint. And it's not that I can't be bothered, well, that's partly, partly the reason. But I am very frugal and I don't like binning and washing away perfectly good paint. It just takes a little bit of a time just to mix it all together again. So that green is bitty when dry. It's a shame, isn't it? But it's kind of gone weird. Almost so that you can't reuse it. So that's a bit of a shame. Good job I've got tissues. Always keep a pack of tissues or kitchen roll or a rag when you're painting. So that is a shame. You can see, nice and pigmented green, but it just isn't nice to paint with. It was too bitty. So, I will carry on and do... See, now this red is perfectly fine. But just like with the Schmink Academy, and there's a video on my channel called Problem Paint or Paint Troubles, I can't quite remember. And you'll see what I mean. There is this similar colour that is it's grainy and acting up. Okay. So I'm going to do, yeah, red. I don't think you'll ever find this bird in nature. I think it's a Rebecca bird. Strikes again. we might end up going into a time lapse, everybody. What I like about this is I'm just using leftover paint, so it's a very limited colour palette. And we're finished. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. Bye.